This video is about sums. I should put sums. Sums of angles in a triangle. Sorry, I put that too close together. In a triangle. So this video does not have a ton of notes, but I do have a demonstration to show you. So when we're talking about the total amount of angles in a triangle, we have to keep in mind that we know different triangles. We know that there's acute triangles, obtuse triangles, right triangles, and we know that they can be scaling, equilateral, or what's the other one? Isosceles. So knowing that information helps us understand some sums of angles as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with this demonstration. I have two different triangles. They're different sizes, and they look a little bit different too. And I'm going to label the angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. And I'm going to do that for both of them. All right, so then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tear my triangles apart. And I'm just going to tear it so that I have the three different angles. And it doesn't matter how I tear it. So I'm going to take this first one. Let me move the second one out of the way real quick. And all I'm going to do is I am going to put the angles together. And I want you to see what happens when I do that. So that's angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. All right, so when I put them all together like this, I want you to see what happens. So if you notice down here, this ends up being a straight line. And I'm going to trace underneath it, just like this. So you should know that a straight line has 180 degrees. Well, when I put my triangle that I've torn apart down, it creates a straight angle. So that tells me that when I have all the angle measurements in a triangle, it's going to equal the same as if I have a straight line. So the sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. And it works like that for any triangle. So I'm going to show you my second triangle that I have real quick. So here's the second one. I'm going to do the same thing I did, and I'm going to tear it. And if you want to try this experiment at home, you can also do that. So you just need any triangle. You can draw a triangle. You can print out a triangle, doesn't matter. You can take a square and cut it so it makes a triangle, anything. All right, so then there are my three angles side by side, or pieced together like a puzzle. And again, there is my straight angle right there. So there's my 183 or 80 degree angle. All right, so what does this mean? It means that the sum of angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, so another way that you might see it is the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. You might see that as well. So if I have a triangle and I'm missing one side, so let's say I have a 90-degree triangle. Okay, I know that this angle is a right angle, so that's automatically 90 degrees. And let's say this angle is 45 degrees. Okay, what is the measure of this angle? Well, I know that I can add angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, and it's going to equal 180 degrees. So 90 plus 45 is 135 degrees. And I would have to do 180 minus 135. That's 10, that's 7, 5, 4. So my missing angle is 45 degrees.